It's so much fun literally trying new products on camera. I mean, this is recorded, but unedited, clearly. 2 colors, 1 product. A Stila Stay All Day Graphic Eyeliner that I've showed you guys before, that I've sent you. I wish. Hey everybody, here's a gel eyeliner from Hailey Feldman. Oh my God. Hustle and Ballet, 2 colors. Somebody who is familiar at all with graphic gel-based eyeliners, so we're just gonna wing it. And okay, so this is Hustle. Okay. Ooh. Hustle. By the way, I'm about to go to the gym, which is hysterical. Ooh, that's really pretty. Look at that. Oh, I like that. So look, just be careful. You can't like pull it back. You could use it over eyeliner just to add a little bit of dimension, right? Like that's so pretty. Just a tiny bit of pop without being too poppy. And this is Ballet, which I think is going to go on a little bit more subtler. That's not a word. Okay. So she has fresh product here. So try this eye. It's so hard to do in like the selfie. Ooh, oh my gosh. Guys. Oh my gosh. Ballet, I love you. Look how pretty. Okay, so you have Hustle, Ballet. Which one do you guys like better? I don't know. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. So that's Ballet and that's Hustle. I mean, let's just say that this is not going to be my last video on this product. Well, a real try on. I would love to hear your thoughts. Which one's better? Or are they both good? Or maybe I could blend them. If you're a makeup artist or a beauty influencer, this video is not for you. I am not. I style outfits for women, mainly, on my live shopping channel. So, oh, that looks good, right? And I'm not using any filters. Apologies for that, guys. But okay, sorry, stick to the point. I'm just so enthralled by these results. So I am not a beauty influencer. I'm not a makeup artist or a stylist for hair, obviously. So I invest in high quality products. You have to. You have to. And it's like, unless you got a glam squad, you need to get products that work. And I just am so obsessed with all the products that I've been showing by Stila. They're so great. Anti-sticks, the graphic eyeliner. Look at that, it's really pretty. Absolutely lovely. A little pop. Yay!